Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Progress Bar widget to your GoDaddy website. A Progress Bar widget is a useful way to display goals, completion status, milestones, or performance metrics in a clean and visual format on your website. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Progress Bar in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout according to your preference. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Content tab, you can edit the main title and also enable or disable it. You can then click Add Metric Bar to add progress bars. For each progress bar, you can edit the title, choose whether to show values in percentage or fixed values, and customize the values. You can also change the color of each bar. Next, go to the Template tab. Here, you can choose from different templates, and depending on the selected template, the settings below it may change. Then open the Settings tab. In Visibility and Labels, you can enable or disable bar titles, values, and milestones. You can also decide the milestone position, such as above or below. In Animation and Behavior, you can enable or disable Animate on Load, change the duration, and select the easing function. Next, go to the Style tab. Here, you can choose a quick theme and update the typography. In the Colors section, you can change the background color, text color, accent color, track color, and border color. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your GoDaddy site editor. Now add a embed HTML from sections, paste your installation code inside it, and publish your website. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.